virtual class of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai Education Department. I am Mrs. Akshata Kale and today we will learn maths. Okay, now we will move to the chapter. Today's subject is Maths of Standard 4th and the name of the topic is Coins and Notes. Okay, students, you know that India is our country, isn't it? And Indian rupee is the official currency of India. We denote rupee in this symbol. You can see here, it is like a Marathi alphabet, that is R. You know Marathi alphabets, isn't it? It looks like R, but one extra horizontal line is drawn on that, which is parallel to the above line. Students, you can use this wherever you want to write rupees. Okay? And our Indian rupee is subdivided into 100 paise. Right? And here Indian rupee we can see in two forms, that is in metal coins and paper notes. Right? We will go through them and then we will study how to count the money and how to get the change for the bigger amount. Look at the coins and know the values. Here we will go through the coins and notes that we use in our day-to-day life. Okay. See, this is 1 rupee coin. This is 2 rupees. The value of this is 5 rupees. And this is of 10 rupees denomination. Yes, students, nowadays 1 rupee is the lowest value that has lowest value coin. Correct? Earlier we used 50 paisa coin, 25 paisa coin, but nowadays 1 rupee is the lowest denomination that we are using. Right? You are familiar with all these coins, isn't it? Now we will proceed further. This is 5 rupees note. This is 10 rupees note. We get 5 rupees coin also and note also. Again we get 10 rupee coin also and note also. This 10 rupee note is a new one, isn't it? This is 20 rupees new note. And this is 50 rupees note. See, this is new one again, 100 rupees note. See dear students, here how rupee is written, isn't it? That symbol you also can use wherever you want to write about the money. Okay. This is new 200 rupees note. This is 500 rupees note. And this is 2000 rupees note. These notes have different colors and different size, isn't it? Why it is so? What do you think? Different colors and different shapes they have because to identify them easily. Okay? Now write the total amount. Here we will see some notes. Go on counting the notes. Okay, this is a 20 rupees, one note. This is 20 rupees second note. 20 rupees third note. 20 rupees fourth note. 20 rupees fifth note. What is the total amount? Yes, 20 rupees. 5 notes together make rupees 100. Isn't it? Yes, you are right. Now write the total amount in the empty boxes. You will see. Go on counting the money. This is a 500 rupees note. Then this is 200. 500 plus 200 is 700. Plus 50 rupees means 750 rupees. Isn't it? They together make rupees dash. What we will write here? 750. Correct? Again, 500 rupees note, 100 rupee note, one more 100 rupees note, one more 100 rupees note, 110 rupee note, one more. Yes, finish. Now come on students, tell me what is the total amount? Got the answer? Okay, I will also count. This is 500 rupees one note. This became 100 plus, that is 600, plus 100, that is 700, plus 100, that is 800, 810 and 820. So the total amount is 820. Isn't it? What is your answer? Same na? Good. ₹500 note plus 200 rupees note. Here we can see 100 rupee note, 50 rupees, 20 rupees, 10 rupees. Now here 5 rupee coin, 1 rupee coin and one more 1 rupee coin. Yes, this is over. It is the total amount. Yes, students, come on, count this fast. Got the answer? Okay, I will count. This is 500. Okay, 500 plus 200, that is 700. Okay, now this is 800, right? Now this add this 850, 870, 880, 885, 886, 887. We have to see the denomination written on the note and on the coin. So the total is 887, isn't it? You also got the same now? Okay, nice. Yes, here 4 students are there. Names are Rani, Raj, Mona and Meet. Yes, dear students, I have 10 rupee 4 coins and I need change for that 10 rupee coins. Rani has only one rupee coin. Raj has only 2 rupees coins. And this Mona has 5 rupee coins. And Meet has all different denomination coins. Okay, we will see how they will give me the changes. Okay, first I will give them 10 rupee coins. Here for Rani, This is for Raj, this is for Mona, and this is for Meet. Okay, Rani, can you give me a 10 rupee change? Okay, now how she will give? We will see. She has only 1 rupees. So 1 coin she gave. Second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10. Yes, she gave me 10 1 rupee coins as a change for 1 10 rupee coin. Isn't that right one? Yes, very good Rani. You are right. You gave me the proper change for 10 rupees. Thank you. Now Raj's turn now. I gave Raj a 10 rupee coin and he is giving me 2 rupee coins. How many 2 rupees coin he will give me? We'll see. One, second coin, third coin, fourth coin and fifth coin. Yes, he gave me 2 rupees 5 coins. What this means? 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 10. Yes, you are right, Raj. This 10 rupees for you. Okay. Thank you, Raj. Next, Mona's turn. Mona, please give me 10 rupees change. Now, Mona has only 5 rupees coins. Now, we'll see how many coins she is going to give me. 1, 2, yes, over. Only she gave me 2 coins of 5 rupees. Yes, Mona is also right because 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. Isn't it? So this is for you, Mona. And now Meet. He has all different coins like 5 rupees, 2 rupees, 1 rupees. Okay, Meet, please give me the change for 10 rupees coin. We will see. He gave me 1 5 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin, 1 rupee coin, 1 rupee coin, one more 1 rupee coin. Yes, he is also right because 5 plus 2 is 7 plus 3, 1 rupee, right? That is 10. Very good, Meet. Nice. All these 4 students, they are very good in maths. They gave me the proper change for rupees 10. Claps for these children. Students, I have 50 rupees note and I need 1 rupee coins as a exchange for rupees 50 because I want to return them to my students. Okay, then how many 1 rupee coins I will get in exchange of rupees 50? We'll see. 1 rupee, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Means these are 10 rupees because the coin has a value of 1 rupee, isn't it? 10 coins means that is 10 rupees. Now this became 10 rupees. Now we need 20, 30, 40, 50. Isn't it? Again 10, 10, 10, 10 we need. See, we will see this is 10 rupees and again 10 I will keep here. That became 20. Correct? 20 rupees. Again 10. That became 30 rupees. Again 10. That became 40 rupees. Again 10. That became 50 rupees. Means in exchange of 50 rupees note, I will get 50 coins of 1 rupee, isn't it? Or denomination of 1 rupee, I will get 50 coins, isn't it? Okay. Now again I am having this 50 rupees note, and now I need 2 rupees coin. In that case we saw that 50 rupees got in exchange of 51 rupee coins, isn't it? Now we will see I need 2 rupees coins here. Okay, how many we will get? We will see 2 rupees coins. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this became rupees 10, isn't it? Means 2 5s are 10. Correct? I got 10 rupees. Now again I will take 2 rupees 5 coins. Then it became 20 together, right? 20. Again 5 coins I will join this. Here it became 30 rupees. Again I will add 5 coins. Then it became 40. Correct? Again I need 5 coins of 2 rupees each. Then the total becomes 50. Means how many 2 rupees coins I got? Yes, we will count. This is 5 plus 5, that is 10, plus 5, 15, plus 5, 20, plus 5, 25. Means total 25 coins of 2 rupees each is exchanged to rupees 51 note, isn't it? Good. Students, again I need change for rupees 50 in terms of 5 rupee coins. How many 5 rupee coins I will get in exchange of rupees 50? We will see here. 1 coin of 5 rupees, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, correct it is. 5 tens are 50, isn't it? So I will get 5 rupees 10 coins in exchange of rupees 51 note. Right? Now I need 10 rupee coins in exchange of rupees 51 note. We will see how many coins I will get. 1 coin of 10 rupees, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, means 10 5s are 50, isn't it? Means I got 10 rupees coins. How many? 5 coins I got in exchange of rupees 51 note. Right? Now I need 20 rupees notes. Okay, we will see 120 rupee note, one more 20 rupee note. If I take one more 20, then it will become 60 rupees. So I will take, or I will get one 10 rupee note. Isn't it? That became 50 rupees. Right? Good. Seema, a girl is there. What she is telling, we'll read. I have rupees 100. She is having rupees 100. Can you tell which all notes can I have? Yes, we know, Seema. We will show her how we can give her the different notes, and that will become equal to 100 rupees. 100 rupees. Isn't it? This is a value rupees 100. Okay, one time 50 rupees, 2 notes. Yes, that also became rupees 100. Now 20 rupees, 1 note, 2 note, 3, 4 and 5. Isn't it? That also became rupees 100. Next, 50 rupees 1 note, 20 rupees 1 note, 20 rupees another and 10 rupees. 50 plus 20 is 70, plus 20 means 90, plus 10 that is 100. Yes, now remain 10 rupee notes, isn't it? See, 1 note, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, we are going to give 10 rupees notes of 10. Correct? 10 rupees notes. Yes, we are right. Isn't it, Sima? Yes. Here, a book that the cost of the book is 80 rupees. Now we have to give 80 rupees to the shopkeeper. Correct? Now what we will do now? Yes, I am having 50 rupees also. Then first we will give 50 rupees. Then 20 or 10 rupees I am having. That became 60. This is 70. This is 80. Isn't it? Yes. 50 plus 30. That became 80. Okay. Now this bag, the cost of the bag is 480 rupees. Now we will give 480 to the shopkeeper. We are having 200 rupees notes, 50 rupees notes, 10 rupees notes, 20 also we are having, 100 rupee note also we are having. Okay. See here, this is 200 note, 1 note, then 100 rupee note that became 300. One more 100, now 400 it is, now 50, that is 450, 70 means 470 plus 1 10 rupee coin, that became 480, isn't it? Am I right? Okay. Now this girl, Seema, I have rupees 60 and have only 2 notes. Can you guess which notes I have? Okay, Seema has only 60 rupees. Correct? And she is telling that she has only 2 notes. Okay, we will guess now. If 20 rupees notes means 20 plus 20 plus 20, that became 3 notes. No, wrong that is. She is telling that she has only 2 notes. Yes. Did you get the answer? Yes, you are right. That is, she has 150 rupee note and 110 rupee note. The total is nothing but rupees 60 and only 2 notes. Absolutely right you are. Now, she is Avni. I have rupees 85 and have 5 notes. Remember here, the total money that she is having is 85 rupees. Okay. And how many notes she has? 5. 5 notes together should make 85. Okay. Can you guess which notes I have? Okay, we will see here. 5 notes. Okay, 5 notes and 85 rupees. Yes, we have some options here. We will see. First we will take 50 rupee. Okay, 20 rupee note. 1, 20 rupees second note means 40. This became 60. This became 80. And 1 5 rupee note. Yes, we are right. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Yes, 5 notes we got and the total is nothing but rupees 85. We are right. One more. 50 rupee one note. This became 60, 70, 80 and 85. Yes, again here also we got 5 notes and 85 rupees. Isn't it? 1 note, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Yes, the total is rupees 85. Yes. Yes, dear students, in the next lecture, we will deal with the shopkeeper. Okay, we will purchase some things and we will deal with the shopkeepers. Okay, be ready with your list.
Thank you very much students for being a part of this lesson. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get new updated videos.